Hello, folks. Well, I really love flying this plane on the water, but things went wrong today. I'll run the video in slow motion so you can see what happened with my comments about it afterwards. It was a calm, beautiful day and the water was glass smooth. Well, many of you actually saw me fly this de Havilland Beaver last year from my boat, and all went really well then. But standing on the shore this year gave a different perspective. First of all, I tried to put the Spark drone up with the transmitter only, and it would only go up 100 feet, so I went ahead and flew anyway. Here we go. Well, little did we know, but there goes my drone just drifting away behind us. Kind of hard to see where the water is. The propeller's hitting. Well, I guess I am going to need a boat. Dang it.
Don't see it.
It's over there. Which way am I going? Am I coming or going? It was supposed to be straight up above me, but it took off on its own. Well, it's probably good and an omen that I crashed because we had a difficult time finding it as it flew way away. I didn't use the phone or app as my wife Ilea was using it with the unique Steadicam that came with my unique 500 drone. I guess I thought the Spark was supposed to maintain position even without the app. I mean, what could go wrong? Well, I'm definitely getting my exercise today, folks.
Just broke the float off.
These floats are really attached quite flimsily, and I don't believe I'm the only one this has ever happened to if you flew off water because of that.
You just got to get up here and get it up to me. And I will do it.
Well, why don't we take this and get this out of the way?
Okay.
And this.
Not anywhere.
So as you can see, the damage was minimal and only to the float. So my analysis of the situation is this. I thought it was coming in too hot and was going to hit the shore. So I punched it up to go around, but the torque caused the right wing to only slightly hit the water, which caused it to tip, and the float, which is not mounted very strongly in my opinion, ripped right off, as you could see. And you know, wingtip pontoons could have helped this too. I used 3M spray adhesive to put the struts back into the floats, but this time I put a band of duct tape all the way around both floats, so a landing like this next time will keep those floats on. I used Satellite City Super T super glue to push the foam back together and then put spackle on it to fill the cracks. I used an old credit card to make a dew splash guard. I'm going to sand it and coat it with a thin coat of epoxy and paint it. I guarantee these floats will be stronger than ever. But all is well. I put the wheels on, and this is what happened next.
Wow, it climbs on a knife edge. It whistles. God, that is just so cool of an airplane. Look at that.
Thanks, Tom.
I appreciate you taking the time to watch today, folks. I hope you had fun. See you next time.
Goodbye.